Was able to get some work done, but as it seems, my desk is a mess, as you can tell. We have a bunch of books all over the place. And I was thinking about it earlier, it's kind of funny actually. When you have a desk or something that's like not clean, and then you try to sit down and do work, it's never a mentality that like you want to do work. I'm still able to be disciplined and get what needs to get done, but it doesn't get away from the fact that your brain subconsciously starts to whine. And this whine a lot of times can mean the difference between doing things that are actually going to be productive to your day or you not doing anything at all. So a lot of times for me, I like to try to keep things clean, and my own saying goal is like if you have a clean line, then there's no whine. If you have a clean line going throughout your day in terms of just productivity, you don't have anything to whine about. And you have a more clean slate to start on.